Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's start. At first we create stars. Create a rectangle and name it stars. It should cover the sky layer. Add particle system effect to it. It is the simplest way to create stars. Do the following. Set the birth rate to 0.5. Particle type to star. Birth size to 0.05. Death size to 0.15. Birth color to white. And death color to light blue. Velocity and gravity to 0. Increase the radius X and Y to cover the whole rectangle, and we are done with this part. Put star layer behind the trees. Move the anchor point down. Press Ctrl D to duplicate the layer. Name it star reflection. Press S and flip it. Now you have the star's reflection on the water. I think it's better to decrease its opacity. Do the same with trees. We should see tree shadows on the water too. Duplicate the layer and rename it. Move the anchor point down and flip the layer. Decrease the opacity. Let's create the moon. Draw a circle. Rename the layer. Press Ctrl-Alt-Home to move the anchor point to shape center. Align it horizontally. Put it behind the trees. I don't want to have a solid circle as the moon. Let's add some effects to it. Right-click on the shape, Layer Style, Inner Shadow. Increase shadow size. And add some noise to it. About 5% is enough. Increase the opacity. That's fine. Now it's time to make the moon's reflection in the water. Create a new composition. Name it a reflection. Press Ctrl-Y to create a solid. Add fractal noise effect to it. Set fractal type to swirly. Increase contrast. Decrease brightness. Set evolution at the first frame to 0. And at the end at 7. You can change the speed as you want. Check the cycle evolution box to have a continuous movement in the whole composition. It avoids jumping at the beginning and the end of the composition. Uncheck uniform scaling. Increase width and decrease height. Like this. Change the layer to 3D. Rotate it in the Y position. Scale it to cover the composition width. Take it down a little. I want this layer starts from the composition center. Add turbulent displace. We need more wavy moves. Add evolution keyframe at first and last frame, and also check cycle evolution as I mentioned before. Increase amount and size. Add main composition. Move the moon anchor point to the composition center. Duplicate it. Press S and flip it. Add displacement map to it. Add reflection composition to the main composition. Turn off its visibility. Set the displacement map layer to the reflection layer. Increase the horizontal map to around 90 and the vertical map to 50. Copy and paste this effect to the tree's reflection. Set the horizontal map to 20, and the vertical map to 10. And this is the final result. Thanks for watching this video.